And she acted Christ-like. Tope Alabi should come and learn from Iyabo Ojo. Don't be like people like Tope Alabi. No, do not be like them. It would have been Tope Alabi if she has done it right. And it is lack of unforgiveness that will make you do that to the father of your child. Now, it's not many people that are as lucky as Iyabo. God just wanted to make Iyabo an example to many people. See that Tope Shesi, because she chose not to allow the father of her child to be at the wedding of that child. It's not about age. I'm older than Iyabo. But yesterday, and she acted Christ-like.
Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wedding ọmọ Iyabo Ojo, Yeye Kudi ti jáde ó ti sọ̀rọ̀, ó ní ó yẹ kí Tope Alabi kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa ẹ̀ nítorí pé béèyàn bá ṣẹni èèyàn dáríjì ni o. Ó ní lóòótọ́ ni Iyabo Ojo sọ wípé òun jẹ̀yà lórí ọmọ yìí. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n bó ti wù kó rí àfi kó ń sọ fún bàbá ẹ̀ kó sì wá síbi ìjókòó ọ̀hún. Bàbá Priscilla mọ̀ wá bẹ̀ lóòótọ́. Yeye Kudi courtroom ti wá ṣàlàyé gbogbo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀. Ó sọ bí bàbá Priscilla bó ṣe ranjú débi pé kò bẹ́nìkan sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò ta sẹ́nìkan tó dàbí sójà. Ó wá ní ẹ̀rí báyìí pé ó yẹ Iyabo Ojo ju Tope Alabi lọ. Ó ní Tope Alabi tó nǹkan tó ṣe lọ́jọ́ náà bí ìgbà tí èèyàn bá fira ìṣẹ̀sín ni o. Ó ní tí Tope Alabi ti lọ́jọ́ náà ó fira ìṣẹ̀sín ni. Ó wá ń sọ pé fáǹfààní gbogbo ẹni tó jẹ́ single mother pátápátá tán wà nírú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ó ní ẹja máa dáríjì àwọn ọkùnrin wa pẹ̀lú ìlàkọjá àwọn bó bá ti wù kórí ẹja máa dáríjì wọ́n. Bó bá dọjọ́ ẹ̀yẹ wọn ẹja pè wọ́n, ìyẹn ò sọ pé wọ́n gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ wa o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ náà ló tún lu Polo yìí tó jẹ́ ọkọ Iyabo Ojo báyìí ó lù lọ́gọ ẹnu. Ó ló tọ́jú ẹ̀ dáadáa. Ó ní ìyàwó tí bàbá Priscilla padà fẹ́ nígbà tó kọ Iyabo Ojo. Ó ní ọmọ fáìn, ó ní òfáìn tó Iyabo Ojo. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́gbọ̀ọ́. Torí pé ilé ayé yìí ẹ̀kọ́ ní fi kọ́ ni o. Torí pé Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká fọ̀rọ̀ ara wa ṣàríkọ́gbọ́n. Ó mú méjèèjì ó gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn. Ó ní bí Tope Alabi tilẹ̀ jẹ́ Kristẹni tọ́jú onígbàgbọ́ tó gbé gbàgbọ́ lérí. Ó ní kò lẹ́mìí ìdáríjì kọ́bọ̀. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n Iyabo Ojo kò gbẹ́sìn lórí. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n dáríjọkọ rẹ̀ ọjọ́ tọ́jú ẹ̀yẹ kan. Ó jẹ́ kó wà ń bẹ. Ó wá fi ìyàtọ̀ tó ń bẹ láàrin méjèèjì hàn. Bàbá ní parọ́ Yeye Kudi fàbùkù kan Tope Alabi díẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kì í sì jẹ́ ṣe kó fàbùkù kan. Ó sì yàtọ̀ tó ń bẹ láàrin méjèèjì nínú èyí tá a ti lè kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Torí pé àtòríláyé o tó bá lò síwájú a tún lò sẹ́yìn. Ohun tó bá ṣẹ̀ sápá abìkà máa ṣẹ̀ sápá abòmíì. Ilé ayé sì rí gángan ni o nítorí pé tó bá kọjú sẹ́nìkan ó lè kọ̀yìn sọmọ ẹlòmíì. Ṣùgbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ bá wò ó ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ òun pé bí ìbá jẹ́ ẹja máa dáríjì ra wa nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ọba náà a máa dáríjì èèyàn. Ẹja ṣíya ẹ o, ẹja pé kó délé ó sì jókòó pẹ̀lú. Kékeré ọmọ aláṣẹ mídíà náà lè wà.
You see, Baba Tope's ex-husband or ex-baby father, whatever people call it, if he wasn't good, Tope didn't allow it to show. Kò jẹ́ kó show. Ṣé máa yan ṣéyan tó dá? Instead, òun ló ṣe ẹ̀sín. Ó fi ìtàn burúkú lẹ̀. Like even the wedding one would have been sweeter than that. It was as if they were hiding to do the wedding. The wedding, Tope òkèrè nú ayé. Do you know people that will come from far and wide? Do you know the people that will come from far and wide? I mean, all that one that they are doing, that the wedding was ending, the man now saw it online. The way they are doing Juma so now, and Kini, that's how Tope's child is supposed to end, because she's a celebrity, and not just anyhow, a gospel celebrity. Gbogbo àwọn gospel, all of them are supposed to assemble there, the way they all assemble for Iyabo now. Do you think that celebrity, they support each other when it comes to nǹkan tó dábàá yìí? If they don't support you, that jẹ́ pé you too, you don't do for them, which I don't think that Tope Alabi is like that. But she wanted to quickly do that wedding and hide it because she didn't want the father of the child to be there. It's wrong. And you are not allowing God to, and you are suffering from unforgiveness. Unforgiveness is you are the gbogbo iyì tí Iyabo gbà lánàá. And this iyì, for 1 year, this wedding, they will continue to talk about it. 1 year. Wallahi, even Iyabo, where her name will reach, she will be begging, ó ti tó, ṣebí wedding la ṣe, ó ju báyìí lọ. Because she has obeyed one commandment. And she's a celebrity. And that's what the reason why the thing will be well pronounced. Even they should use Iyabo as an example to some of these pastors and prophets and prophetess. Because they are not practicing what they are preaching and singing. Forgiveness is the key. Then she allowed God to come and wear the garments of honor for her. When you do it, then she stepped aside, God took over. Over a year, the only celebrity that was at Tope Alabi's party was Funke Akindele. Meanwhile, by rights, all those younger celebrities, all those gospel celebrities, all of them are supposed to be there. Gospel. That all of them will be taking mic, Shereni. No, because they wanted to quickly do it, hide it from the biological father of Ayomide. But she married me. That is what happens when you do not allow God to do it His way. You want to take glory instead of God taking glory. Iyabo is not a conk Christian. She's a Christian, but she's not, understand? She's not a gospel Christian, gospel musician. Because the only example we can use, and I wonder why the matter happened together, so that we can see the difference between a forgiving mother, single mother. Yes, Tope being married doesn't mean she was once a single mother too. As long as you've had a child before, you are the only one training the child. Before you now marry or something like that, you have been a single mother. So you look at the difference of it. These children, fantastic. Now, look at the two. Have you seen anybody praising Tope Alabi over that wedding? No. It's not about the child now. It's about the role model, the woman. Now, people, in fact, I saw journalists, they were writing epistles. Women, even witches, they were writing. They were giving it to her. It's important. You may say it's not important. It is important. It is important. Because as she has done now, she has written down a legacy. That is her legacy. Single mothers should learn from her. Look at how matured. Look at how maturity played out there. Everybody minding their business, doing their thing. Nobody know anything. No, today now is analysis. If they haven't finished the wedding, we continue the analysis. Look at the analysis that after coming out. Tope finished her own wedding like this. People say, and the ex came out and was saying that they did wedding behind him. That's my biological child. You understand? All those things, they are not good. It doesn't speak well of a mother. You cannot live your life through your child. Allow these children enter their marriage. You and their father, whatever problem you have, do not extend it to affect the life of those children. Ẹ má fi èébú sí ara àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ nílé ọkọ lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la tí wàá máa fi èébú wọn pé àṣebá rí bí wọ́n ṣe bàbá rẹ́ǹtì bàbá ni. When the father is available, readily available, èébú ọjọ́ ọ̀la ni. It's not good. Live your life. Do it. See, as Iyabo dey. Later on, I saw her. She went to meet Polo. Where Polo? Go she go. As if I was at the party. Then ni mo wo pe she Baba. What's Baba Prissy? I hope it's not seen. Meanwhile, I've forgotten that Baba Prissy to get in wife America. That I'm sure that many people that are there that know them, they will be Ganusi. No, I wanna am Ganusi, and I can tell you that she not sleep well. She to her body go dey pepper. She go take paracetamol. She would think she has it because Iyabo she's a beautiful woman. Forget it. The two of them, their partners not fine reach them. What I mean is Iyabo Ojo's boyfriend, brother Paul, not fine reach Baba Prissy. Baba Prissy wife, not fine reach Iyabo in anything. So the two of them, Baba Polo, because he will be seeing the person, and that is also good. You understand? It's good to thank God that Baba Prissy not be mad person, not be amubu. You understand? Not be weary, not be looking good, well fed. It will chop up. Not send anybody. I don't know Iyabo Ojo's husband. If not for Iyabo Ojo, me, I won't know him. So I don't know how badly he treated Iyabo or how good he treated Iyabo. However, the marriage did not work. And with the way she said it, and if you notice, she married young. She'd be in her 20s. If you notice, she was in her early 20s. In fact, her stature in that her wedding, because I saw the picture of her wedding, you know, they shared it. You will notice that the man was wearing suit, she was wearing white, that kind of white that she wore with her daughter. When the daughter too, I don't know what they did, that they wore white, you know, and that is it. So, but she didn't give us good story, you understand, about the marriage. For this reason, the marriage ended. And she said she suffered. She said she suffered. She suffered. She explained that suffer. That suffer wasn't good. She suffered with those children. So, I can tell that from her story that she shared with us online in-laws, many people were not really happy to see Baba Prissy. But Baba Prissy, along the line, over this Prissy's marriage to Juma, we saw a picture. I now saw Baba Prissy's wife now and their children. I now saw it. I'm sure all of you saw it. I shared it. I looked at it very well. You see this life, eh? Sometimes when people marry young, sometimes it's only our mothers that married young. When I say our mothers, in the 60s, in the 50s, in the 40s, in the 70s, you know, olden days people that married young. When they married young, they are able to just abide. My Lord, to our fathers, to our grandfathers. You understand? My Lord. What if you go and speak to your mom or go and speak to your grandma? What they took from our forefathers, we Millennium and Gen Z can't take it from any man. Because I remember she told us it wasn't a journey, even in tears. Go and listen to her story. If you Google it, you'll find it on YouTube. To her, it was that the man did love her. I saw the person he's with. You see, that's why we say, I'm sorry, don't be angry. This I want to say. This as my mind leads me on. Don't even shame me, but I will say my truth. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Because if it is about beauty, this woman that is with Iyabo fine person now, Emma Binosimi. The position of father and mother, she didn't allow it to show like this. But many of you that have experienced lesser than what Iyabo experienced, you are even waiting now as you are like this, that the day your children want to do big things, God forbid, you won't allow their father to stay. You are going to pour hot water on their head. You will pour frying oil. You are going to pour it on their head. Do you know it's not a cause? When God sees that your plan is this way, and God has told us that we should learn to forgive, you don't know what He's trying to do. The honor He's trying to wear you, and you choose to do it. Didn't you see that Tope Alabi? Because she chose not to allow the father of her child to be at the wedding of that child. Go and learn. When you are fighting a battle and God says to you, I am a God of vengeance, and you choose to fight it yourself, there's no honor for you. Fight your battle yourself, and where you will fight it to, that's the end of it. There's no honor for you. The God of vengeance, He fights a battle for you in a manner that your enemies will start to congratulate you. Yesterday, I bet it that many of Iyabo's enemies, they will be in the corner of their room saying, ha. Some of them, by now they have blood pressure. By now, they have blood pressure. by now. Because it's a simple arithmetic. Ọlọ́run gbógo fún ọ̀lẹ tèmi. Do you know the count when she and her husband had separated? And I will tell you how you will notice it at the party. Because let me tell you, because of Iyabo's party, can I shock you? I didn't have time watching other people, all these other people, their distraction. I was only watching body chemistry of Priss's daddy and Iyabo Ojo. I can tell you their body chemistry. Because I am learning. I am learning. It's not about age. I'm older than Iyabo. But yesterday, and she acted Christ-like. And she acted Christ-like. Tope Alabi should come and learn from Iyabo Ojo. The people that are praising Iyabo now, there are still few. A time will come, they will have to do an award for a single parent mother that impressed. They will use the word, because social media put the word, it has made us come together as one. And small word. It would have been Tope Alabi if she has done it right. A lie. It would have been her if she had done it right. She would have taught other people coming behind, this is how to behave. Kò sí bí Baba Prissy ṣe wà ńbẹ̀ lánàá. He still felt an outcast. A lie. It's always good for such men. If he has his way in his heart, I don't know who offended who. Iyabo story lágbọ́ àti ìgbọ́tì bàbá. But if he had his way yesterday, I'm sure when he went to spray Iyabo that morning and he was doing and he walked away like AI, I'm sure he will say with dollars. I'm sure he's saying thank you. Thank you. And also thank you for allowing me be present on this day. That agbada, if he deserves to wear the agbada, only him in his body will know. If he deserves not to wear, only him in his body and soul will know. Ẹ̀rí ọkùnrin. Don't you know that sometimes when you do things like this, you are heaping hot oil, hot coal, everything on your enemy? I'm not saying Baba is an enemy. I'm only saying for men that did not take part in the responsibility of their children at all. Then some of you have decided that you are the one even blocking it. Let me tell you something. It's not many people that are as lucky as Iyabo. God just wanted to make Iyabo an example to many people. Some people that block their father, their kids from, father being involved with their kids. Do you know if you'll be around to do this? We are all praying that God, Ishirere Awomowa, Heavenly Father, let it be. And so if a man is willing to be part of his child's life, and you are blocking it simply because you are thinking of this wedding now, that on the day of my child's wedding, only me will. What if God doesn't give you that privilege? Don't be like people like Tope Alabi. No, do not be like them. And it is lack of unforgiveness that will make you do that to the father of your child. Now, Ebenezer Obey is the person Iyabo brought to act as her father. Father of the day, Ebenezer Obey. Do you think Iyabo Ojo do not have somebody in her lineage that her mother betted her for? Maybe they have not showcased or surfaced even during the lifetime of the mother. Hence, she had but she used that man as an elder in Yoruba land. They look round. If Sunny Ade was in Lagos, they probably would have used Sunny Ade. Because it's not easy to train children on your own. And also, most of the time, it is not by your power. Tọ́lọ́run bá gbà fún wọn. Àwa dàbí pé èèyàn mú un ṣe. Really nice. Although Iyabo trained her children in a way that you can tell that those children, they are cool-headed and they have a relationship with their mother. If you don't have a relationship with your mother, with your children, go and have one. It helps more. They know their mother's challenges. They know the pains. They understand she's a celebrity. And also, they also want to make her proud. Because children of celebrity, children of pastor, children of imam, children of even we that talk like this are the ones that many people go and be watching. They are looking for fault to find in those children. Because when people look at you and they say they can't see anything to say about Iyabo Ojo, the next thing is that they want to find fault in their children. So she has relationship with her children. You can see the way she trained them. They respect her. God knows, I really love the two of them together. And I might be, Mr. Brother Polo, don't be angry. Ìyàwó bàbá pèsè ẹ má bínú. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ èmi kàn sọ̀rọ̀ tèmi ni bí mo ṣe rí ilé ayé ni. They fit each other, Satan is after marriage, so Satan is a destroyer. Satan is very wicked. I like them together, but it's just my own subjective feeling. Emma Benosimi. I know that the wife now will be eyeing me. Emma, let me do it. I don't know you people. They come she critical analysis because they fit each other better. You understand the stature, everything, the clothing, everything. Everybody, they are partners. They know. I want five. I make it define. No fit around one.
Ẹja ṣí àìtó, ẹja pín kálé, kódóko, ẹja kọ́mọdé ilé ó gbọ́, ẹja kágbàlagbà ó mọ̀. Kò ní jù báyìí lọ táàrí lábalábí tá a wà yìí. Ó dá mi lójú pé ẹ ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kan àbí méjì ń bẹ̀. Pàápàá jùlọ single mothers tó wà ń ta lénìí. Ẹ má jẹ́ àwọn tí arákùnrin wa ṣe fún wa tá a fi pínyà. Ẹja dáríjì wọ́n ó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ṣe pé a ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú wọn mọ́. Torí pé bọ́mọ bá dàgbà tó bá tó sáà kan ó máa fẹ́ mọ bàbá ẹ̀. Ó ti wù kẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn nú tó. Bọ́mọ ò tiẹ̀ mọ bàbá ẹ̀ táwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ọmọ. Ọjọ́ ń bọ̀ táwọn èèyàn padà fi bú wa. Ó ní ẹja máa rò ń gbà míì. Ẹ má jà máa jàjà díjú nítorí pé gbogbo ohun tó bá lọ sókè ó ń padà bọ̀ wálẹ̀. Ó náà la fi sọ pé láálá tó bá ròkè ilẹ̀ ní ń bọ̀. Ọmọ Aláṣẹ Media ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wò. Kóhun gbogbo lè rọ̀sọ̀mù káyé ó lè dáa fún tẹrú tọmọ la wà fún. Ẹ̀já ṣe àìtò yìí o kápẹ́ kálé kápẹ́ dóko o. A ó tún pàdé lọ́jọ́ míì ọjọ́ rẹ̀. Búburú kan ò ní ṣe yín kò ní ṣe mí. Ire o, ire kàbìtì.
Àtìrẹ́tìrẹ́ o, ọmọ Aláṣẹ dìde. Àtìrẹ́tìrẹ́ o, ọmọ Aláṣẹ dìde. Wá bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀, ká lè mọ bí ayé kọrí sí. Wá bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀, ká lè mọ ìgbésẹ̀ tó yẹ ká gbé. Ọmọ Aláṣẹ.